number 6. A rocket burns. A rocket burns 10 grams of fuel. A rocket burns 10 grams of fuel each second. And ejects it as a gas with a velocity of 5,000 meters per second. What force does the gas exert on the rocket? The options are A, 50 Newton, B, 60 Newton, C, 100 Newton, and D, 500 Newton. The answers to the above test questions are one, A, 2, C, 3, B, question number 4, D, question number 5, A, and question number 6, A.